the last group, is a little bit different. It's challenging a little bit at the start. However, it's very interesting and satisfying when you get it. So it's come from this direction and gradually increasing the pressure. And it comes down. Okay, and this follows the writing order of calligraphy. So we always write from top down and from left to right. So this one also follows the calligraphy writing principles. So I want you to try. So try this flow. You can circle your hands a few more times and then try to land very gently and gradually increasing the pressure and lift up sooner. So again, it's about at the last part, our brush pushed down more and lift up rather sooner. Remember a calligraphy stroke we did in the course, the left or down the stroke. So we also touch down slightly and increasing the pressure and until the very end, and we gradually lift our brush. Remember this stroke? So it's the same idea, actually the same technique. So it's more like a boat. It's like a boat. It's curving up the two sides. And it's called open stroke because the brush here is a bit open and then close. And what you like to is to continue this circular movement and try to slow down. Okay? To slow down, gradually increasing the pressure. And at this point, make sure you are pressing down and then start to release the pressure. Okay, so we are very attempting here is to lift our brush. You see my brush trying to flip to make the curve. So pay attention. So our brush is still upright. Is our brush pressure reduce? Okay, so our brush is holding the same position. Okay, so let's try this again. One, two, and three. Okay. Second group. One, two, and three. And the last one. One, two, and three. So this is the basic stroke. I just introduced the idea about the basic stroke of the last group. It's very special and you can practice this with your own time. And please be patient with yourself. It's totally fine if we're not grabbing it right away. I didn't.